Hello, this is the luckiest maths teacher in the world. Thank you so much for tuning into this video in which we will look at finding the coordinates of a point that divides a line segment internally in a given ratio. So this is the story. We have a line segment here. I'll call its two endpoints x1, y1 and x2, y2. We want to find the point P somewhere along this line segment that divides it in the ratio m to n. So this distance here is represented by m. This distance here is represented by n. So this is the formula we use. Remember, we're finding a point P. So it has an x coordinate and a y coordinate. So let's look at this example. We're going to divide the line segment that joins these 2 points in the ratio 3:2. So that means here that m is 3 and n is 2. So we're looking for a point. It's going to have an x and a y value. So let's find the x coordinate of this point. So it's m times x2, x coordinate of the second point, plus n times x coordinate of the first point, all divided by m plus n. So that's the x coordinate. The y coordinate is m times y coordinate of the second point plus n times y coordinate of the first point, again divided by m plus n. And putting that in our calculator, we get this point here. Note the x and y coordinates do not need to be whole numbers. So let's check our answer. If we use the distance formula to calculate the distance from this point to this point, I get a distance of 6. If we use the distance formula to calculate the distance from this point to this point, I get a distance of 4. So what we have here, if this is the point -2, -5, this is the point 4, 3, the distance to our point here, this is 6, and then it's another 4 from the point P to the point 4, 3, to the other endpoint. And of course, 6 to 4 is in the ratio 3:2. All right, thank you so much for tuning into this video. This has been the luckiest maths teacher in the world. Have a great day.